on 15th August, when India was celebrating 75th anniversary of its independence, in our neighborhood, Afghanistan once again fell into the hands of Taliban. Right now we are at Afghanistan Embassy at New Delhi, where Afghanistan nationals are gathered here for some for the extension of visa and for other documents. Right now we are joined by Adiba Qayyum. Adiba, first of all, really sorry to hear about whatever happening in Afghanistan right now. So you must be having in contact with your friends, families there in Afghanistan. So what is the current situation there?
Actually, current situation is a little bit normal, but it will not be continue like this, because we have experience of before. Because before they was so weird and before they treat like animals. I know they will show their animal face soon, but now it's starting. They just wanna accept it by some government, some powers and United Nations. After they accepted by them, they will show their real face. I'm sure 100%.
What would be the situation of women, especially under the rule of Taliban? Would highlight on that particular issue. Like, will they allow women to get educated, work, or something?
Actually, the main requirement, the main things that they want is power and these things. They didn't want to allow women to continue education. Like now, see my friends, famous friends. Yesterday night, last night, asked me that Adiba, our schools, our university now is closed. What should we do, Adiba? They were crying. Even I can control myself. I crying with them. But I control. I say it will be good, inshallah. Inshallah, it will be good. I just pray that the powers never accept their government. But situation is so worse now. And I thought soon they will show their real face. But now also I pray that they will not, the powers will not accept their government.
Whom do you think, Adiba, who is responsible for whatever happening in Afghanistan right now?
I thought, or I think responsible is Pakistan and leader of Afghanistan, and also United States also.
Like why?
Like Pakistan. Pakistan is always our enemies. We never see a friendship of Pakistan with us. A friend, like he do something for us like a friend. Always he roles as a enemies. And beside this our leader is liar. They always make promises, but they never do these promises. They just know how to make promises, how to make people. They didn't know anything except this. Now we see their action, their reaction. They just ran out of Afghanistan. They leave everything. They left everything. And our United States, because United States, I don't know, they has power. They want power also. I think it's some profit of them that our simple people or normal people didn't know about this strategy or these programs. But I'm sure that the United States is also here. He also wants something.
So, where do you see India's position, and what do you want? Like, what should India do at this moment?
Okay. I thought the big things that India can do, just it shouldn't accept their government. One thing, and second thing, he should accept these homeless, and he should allow and provide some help for these people who will come here from Afghanistan.
Okay. Adiba, for how long you have been living in India?
Actually, I'm living here since 2008, in December 2008. It means 1 year stay.
Yeah. And what are you doing here? Like, you're a student?
No, I'm not a student, because after we came here, all the worst things happen, like lockdowns, COVID-19. That's why I can continue my education. Online study is not fine. That's why I didn't continue. But I decided to apply something, because I was an MBBS student in Afghanistan. But these situations, these treatments that my mom moms receive, caused to I drop out my university. Now I drop out university and I came here. Now I didn't do anything here, but I decided to apply some courses here.
And what do you think is the future of all Afghan nationals who are living in India? Like, what will be their future after? Taliban's takeover in Afghanistan?
I think our situation will be not fine here as well. Because if our embassy close here, I think soon it will be close here as well. So if it is close here, and United Nations also doesn't care about us. You know, they never care about us, and now UNHCR never care about us. So if they doesn't care about us, and if they doesn't care about us, we will be here without any job, without any identity. It's really tough for us. That's why we are looking for any solution here, there, in United States embassy, in Canada embassy. If we find any solution, now actually I don't know why they announced some visa program for Afghan refugee. United States and also Canada as well. So we just looking for these things that are for us. That's why we are looking for any solution here, there, in United States embassy, in Canada embassy. If we find any solution, now actually I don't know why they announced some visa program for Afghan refugee. United States and also Canada as well. So we just looking for these things that we are eligible for this visa or not.
So why you were here today at Afghanistan?
I'm not in here. Actually, I came to this United States embassy to see what's the program and that they will accept us or not.
It's hopeless for everyone. It's a dark chapter. It's something, their future is like already dark. We see no light in it. We see no hope in that. Everyone's future, everyone's education, everyone's dreams, it's already shattered. It's gone to the wind. There is nothing left for them.
क्या लगता है तालिबान के आने के बाद हालात कितने बदतर हो जाएंगे अफगानिस्तान में? क्या पहले जैसा रहेगा या बहुत बदतर हालात होंगे?
तालिबान आने के बाद हालात जो 20 साल का पहले हालात हैं वो वापस आ गए। जो भी इतना सही हो गया, ग्रोथ सही हो गया, रेवर सही हो गया, यूनिवर्सिटी सही हो गया, सब कुछ वापस करा लिया।
क्या लगता है आपको इसके हालात जो भी फिर से तालिबान का कब्जा अफगानिस्तान पर इसके जिम्मेदार कौन?
जिम्मेदार तो अभी अमेरिका है,
पाकिस्तान है, अमेरिका है। क्या कारण पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका क्या?
क्योंकि अमेरिका 20 साल अफगानिस्तान का सपोर्ट किया है और 1 महीना टाइम देता है, 1 महीना सब छोड़ दिया है। ये तो दिमाग पर बिल्कुल कम नहीं है। 1 महीना अगर सही, अगर अब तो अफगानिस्तान का चुना है तो अफगानिस्तान के लिस्ट है तो टाइम देता है 1 साल 2 साल 2 साल का पहले नहीं बोलना। अभी जो बाइडेन प्रेसिडेंट हो गए बोलना 1 महीने बाद सब अमेरिका बाहर है। ये तो बिल्कुल एक स्कोर है तालिबान का एक स्कोर देता है।